Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Godzilla of air compressors. Now, it's not as easy as you might think, and some people might think, oh, it's stupid, you're going to burn it up. Well, no, let me explain why. Now, here we have, sorry about the mess around it, but we have 100 gallons of compressed air. Two 50-gallon tanks. You might think, oh, you're just going to burn that one right there up. No, and I'll explain to you why. One, we got this tank. We bought it off the line, off Facebook Marketplace. So we got it for like 20 bucks. And I said, it's just a Craftsman 50-gallon air compressor tank. The motor and shit that was on it was bad. We just took it off, and we capped what ports on it need to be capped. Then we ran air lines off of the other line, off of the tank, and plumbed it to this other one with a filter and a valve and whatnot behind here. Well, but what we did to make it so we can have two 50-gallon tanks running efficiently and being effective, so you have, 100 gallons of air with the correct PSI, is we replaced the motor that came on this unit with a 5-horse, 2-stage GE motor. Like I said, this is just some a phone charger cord and some air fittings and whatnot just laying around here. But here's your switch right here. The orange plastic cover there. It cracked, it fell, stepped on it, but there's a switch right there. Flip it on, up and on for it's supposed to, for a shut, when the pressure release valve for shutting the compressor on and off automatically. Well, but the pump is still the same pump. We changed the oil in it, like I said. But this motor, we replaced it, and we put, instead of 5-horse, 2-stage motor on it. What was on it was a 2.5. So now we have double the power to run both these tanks. So we're not going to burn up, the motor, or which you're definitely not going to burn up the pump. But so we don't burn up the old original motor that was on here to run. So now we got, in a sense, a 100-gallon air compressor. That's it. What we did, we replaced that motor on there. I just took the other one, cut a block of wood, made a stand, mounted my Milwaukee chargers to the top of it, stuck some nails in the front for doing some of your tire sockets, mounted them right to the front, and whatnot, just hang off some air pressure gauges and shit. But that's what we did, guys, to build the Godzilla of air compressors. 100 gallons of air. And it puts out, I think we got the regulator set at most things, I think we got it set around 90, 95 PSI. It can go all the way up to, safely, I can crank it up to 120. I mean, it can go higher, obviously. You can put that thing wide open to max. But, we'll put it sometimes. We're working on a big truck. My neighbor, he's got a lawn service company with some big F350s and some Dodge, 2500s. So sometimes we'll crank it up higher, to around 120. But so we can have full blast of air. And we got over 200 feet of air line. Like I said, we got a shit ton of snap-on impacts. We got the 1/2 inch, the MG 725 snap-on. Puts out 1,200 foot-pounds of torque in reverse. Badass impact. But anywho, guys, back to the video. That's how, real simple, how you can take and, of course, you got to buy one compressor. Or in this case, we had this one. We would just change the motor out. The pump is still the same pump. We changed out the motor. And then like I said, we spent $30 on this tank from Facebook Marketplace. And I think that motor, I think we got it on sale. And we got it local from a, parts house. Well, air compressor place. I think we got it for $195. So, basically we got $230 in it, which is definitely still cheaper, so even at the price of, that tank, A good one, what, $800 roughly for the, you know, excuse me, for a 50 gallon tank. Like I said, plus that motor, plus that tank, you know, we got under $1,000 and we got 100 gallons of air. That's one hell of a deal. But if y'all find this video useful, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.